everyone, welcome back to another video. So pretty much I wanted to start the video by saying happy holiday and happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and I hope that everyone is having a great day today.
Can't stuff this. Can't stuff this. Can't stuff this. My lady sing down so hot, makes me think it's time to drop and strut around the farm, cause the AC here can't do me no harm, feels good when you know you're down. A super town thing can't sell by the pound, and I'm known as such, and this is what turkey you can't stuff. You can't stuff this. I told you, farm boy, you can't stuff this. Yeah, I'll keep on living, you know. You can't stuff this. Put down the roasting pan, break it down. Stop. Turkey time. I'm fresh and I'm juicy. You like that? Coming here with a recipe, so move out of my face and get a big meal some other place. Thanksgiving. Hold on, I'm plumb but I'm thin and I know what's going on. Like that. Baby, I'm a free-range Cadillac, so you know if you want too much and this is a turkey, you can't stuff. Put down the seasoning. You can't stuff this. Get your hands off my giblets. You can't stuff this. Want a piece of me, sucker? You can't stuff this.
So pretty much today we're gonna pick up whatever we left up yesterday. We're working with the garage door closed because outside is really cold. So just a little recap from yesterday's video. I replaced the timing belt for the JZX 100. I took out the Gretty timing belt that was damaged and we put a new HKS timing belt on it. We replaced the timing belt tensioner and also the hydraulic tensioner. So pretty much today we're gonna try to put in the new Fluidampr pulley, and also we have a brand new Toyota 1jz and a 2jz crankshaft bolts. We're gonna replace the Vvt-I Solenoid. We're gonna try to put in the Vvt-I power steering pump. As you guys know from the previous video, we already replaced the bearing for the serpentine belt tensioner. Alright, so pretty much this is a very straightforward process. Pretty much everything from here is plug and play. I already showed you guys how to remove the crank pulley, and also I show you guys how to release the crank pulley bolt, which is the harder of all of them. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is a very straightforward process. You're just gonna grab your pulley, right? Make sure that you put it on the right place. I mean, you can't really go wrong with that. You see this little gap over here? It fits right on. There's nowhere else to go. So, right, just jiggle it a little bit. It should go in. If not, you can use a 2x4 and also a rubber mallet and just bring it in from there. Just hit it a couple times, you know, gently. You don't want to go and ham on it because you might damage stuff, so things that you don't want. Make sure that goes all the way in and you're good. So, you know, make sure that everything is atop that center. I mean, at this point it really doesn't matter because you already done your timing belt, but it's always good to check, and you should be good. Alright, so pretty much now we're going to use the brand new Toyota crankshaft bolt. This is a direct replacement from the old one. This is the old one. This is the new one. Alright, I'm going to put the part number on the description. Make sure that you check it out. You know, if you're servicing the motor, you must have replaced it. And also we're going to add some Loctite, you know, just for safety. You never know, you know. You don't want this thing to come loose and that thing go flies around. So just a little bit is okay. And we're going to put it in. And then after that, we're going to use our 22mm impact socket and also the impact gun. Make sure this impact gun is fully charged so it could bring 100% out of it. So, and then we're just going to hit it a couple times. 1, 2, 3. Should be good. And there you go. This is how you replace your crank pulley and also your crankshaft bolts. Another thing, guys, make sure that you torque this bolt down to 275 foot-pounds. Alright, so we're gonna replace the Vvti Solenoid on the 1jz. The Vvti Solenoid is located right on top of the Vvti cam gears, okay? Right behind it. This is a very straightforward process as well. Everything is pretty much plug and play. You just unplug whatever stuff you have, like so. And you're gonna use a 10mm range socket. You're gonna unbolt this bolt, and this should slide. No, this is from the middle. One thing that I want to take out. Alright, so we find a little problem over here. The VVTi Solenoid is kind of long and it's hitting the throttle body. One thing that I didn't want to do, but I guess we learn from experience, I guess I'm going to have to release the throttle body, you know, play with it a little bit, so this should slide out. Alright, so to release the throttle body is pretty simple. There's two 12mm bolts on top, and also there's two 12mm nut that is in the bottom. So we're just gonna go and take this out. And this should slide out. Like so, and from here you can release your VVTi Solenoid. Yeah. Here's the old one, and here's the brand new one. Here's the old one, old and ugly. Here's the brand new one, nice and cute. So this is pretty much a very straightforward process. How this thing came out, you should go back in. So put it in. You're good. You're gonna grab your 10mm. Make sure they lock back in place, and you're good. Now it's time to put everything back in. Same, the two 12mm bolt that goes on top, and the two 12mm nut that goes on the bottom. Alright, so here's the throttle body, and it's kind of filthy. Since it's already out, we're gonna take the chance and clean it up a little bit. And then look at this. It's pretty dirty in here, so just clean it up, you know, all the carbon, you know, accumulated through the years. Look at all that. It's crazy. Alright, so pretty much here it's time to put the throttle body back. It should be good like this. Boom, 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 boom. Easy breezy. Same how it came out. Just gonna go back in here. 1, 2 on top. Of course, we're gonna use our power tool. Good. Can't see shit. Alright, I see it now. So pretty much this is how you install your VVTi Solenoid. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now time to plug everything back in. Boom. Your throttle cable. Where did it go? Here. And where is it? Oh, it's here. My bad. And that's it. Voila! It's all done.
And I'm feeling good.